So my name is Rollo Powell. I am based in Cardiff Bay, doing a scenic construction apprenticeship in carpentry and metal fabrication at Cardiff Theatrical Services. So I recently moved from Cornwall up to Cardiff with my girlfriend, who's at Cardiff Uni. Before I was working for St Austell Brewery pub in Charlestown. I'm interested in sports. I want to join a rowing club whilst I'm up here. Yeah. So I found the apprenticeship on Career Wales. In South just having a browse to see what carpentry apprenticeships are up there, and I found the scenic one, and it really stood out to me because the scenic construction is so different to working on site. It's, you get to use your imagination and not want to be creative, so that stood out to me. At college I did carpentry and joinery for a year, and I really enjoyed that. I really enjoyed working with tools and taking my time myself and seeing the gradual progress with taking on this project. The main thing with CTS is obviously they build all the stages and the sets and the props, and they design everything for all these shows like Peter Pan and Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, Macbeth, and when it's all put together it looks amazing. That's definitely something that I'd like to get involved in. I say the main thing that stood out to me about apprenticeships rather than university is you get to earn as you learn. And for my family, I've got a big family, and most of us have gone to university, but a lot of us have done apprenticeships, and just a lot of jobs want the experience more than actual qualifications. So I think if you can get that experience and get it done whilst you're young, and then it'll set you up for the future, it's just so worth it to do it now.